So, long time no see, my followers. In case you forgot me, I am Team, the JCU Alumni, graduated from JCU University Singapore. So I am wearing the JCU Student Council T-shirt right now. Yep, let me show you the back. So, I must say, this video is not sponsored by them. Okay, it's definitely not sponsored by them, but it's more like I have been receiving questions ever since my first vlog. Maybe I can try to check the video link here of my first vlog about JCU when I was still studying there. And that was a pretty old vlog. Yeah, thanks to everybody supporting me, and it is going to 3,500. Okay, so what am I going to tell you? What am I going to say today is the Q&A about my life in JCU Singapore, because some of them or any one of you watching this video are planning to study in JCU University Singapore campus. I have a few questions that I often receive and some things that I think you guys may be interested in. So I have written here few questions that you guys might be interested to know, and I'll try to reply you guys as soon as possible. If I didn't answer any of them, you can comment down below. Okay, so the very first point I'm gonna answer is admission part is anyone in the world are welcome to join JCU. Okay, JCU University. As long as you pay school fee, you are welcome to join. No matter you are Singaporean, PR, foreigner like me, you're totally welcome to study there. Okay, it's just that there are different tuition fees according to your citizenship status in Singapore. I think that you can check on the school website. Okay, another thing is the orientation. So the orientation day itself, I must say, you must attend. Not like, why must I spend hours, whole day sitting in an auditorium and listening to them? It's because the first day of the orientation is the school will tell you the important tips and things you must know as a student in JCU, such as grading, attendance, and those portals that we use for your studies. So you must know that. And how you apply leave when you want to go on vacation or you are sick. So basic rules for orientation you must attend. And I think there are some kind of culture during orientation is whoever like the JCU University Singapore fan page, they will give one soft toy, the JCU University exclusive soft toy. Yeah. So, but they will only give to one person just for this, and there will be another pressure for another soft toy, but the same soft toy for another pressure. Usually, it's a little bit different. Yeah. Okay. Another interesting thing. Very interesting thing about JCU University Singapore is we are not the typical university you know. So our campus we don't have it like assigned according to the different kind of school major. Like most of the school, they have like okay, all the engineering block will be here, all the business block will be another side, and followed by science. But because JCU University is like a private university in Singapore, so most of the major just mix around in different. We don't have our own block. You know, it's good to understand what I'm trying to say. So yeah, there's one thing very interesting about our school. Another thing is those foreign students, so-called international students in JCU University are mostly first second is Chinese from China, or Chinese as a race from any other places. I think it's sensible. And third one is Southeast Asia. So if you are watching this video now and you may worry that you may not have friends, don't worry, you will definitely have friends. And okay, another interesting thing is eat is very important. So we have a canteen, and the canteen caters to all different grades. We have all different types of food. We have Chinese food, yeah, Indian food, Muslim food, and now there are also the Vietnam Thai. Then we also have a drink store and fruit store. Then within the canteen, we have the area that is like a typical canteen, only have fan. Okay? Then another side is a canteen eating area that has air conditioning. Cool, right? Yeah. So another thing besides eating is where you can revise or study or do your group work with your classmates. First, we have a student hall. Another one is library, but library doesn't allow you to talk loudly. Okay. Another part is another hub, something like student hub, and the third one is a new hub. So the new hub is clean, a little bit small, but it's all white furniture. So yeah, it's pretty neat. That's a very important part. Or if you are smart enough or very efficient, you can always book the classroom in the school on a portal. So you can book a classroom and you can have your group assignment discussion in the classroom instead of the noisy student hub. Sometimes student hub can be really noisy or hard to get a seat. And library doesn't allow you to talk, so how are you gonna do discussion, right? So most of the time, if we want to do discussion, we will book the classroom. So another thing is the internship. A lot of people have confusion when it comes to the internship. Because on the school website, they say, oh, so in the final year, or you study in JCU, you can have an internship. No, okay? This internship is not for everyone. Okay? Remember. Because JCU University has these strict rules, is the international students are not allowed to work. Okay? It's a law the law from the government. Okay, you don't ask me why. So actually, internship is only for Singaporean permanents. I know, don't be disappointed. Because those who are not going to internship, you have a final year project, and you get to work with your classmates. And another thing is, basically annually we have a career fair. And career fair, to be honest, it's really not useful. The career fair in gym school, because it depends on your major. Because my major is Bachelor in Information Technology. Why am I saying that it's not really useful for me? IT major is for the career fair. Most of the company there are hospitality, tourism related, or early childhood. There are not much IT. I think the only IT is the net app. But we talk to the net app company guy, they are only looking for Singaporean and permanent resident. So if you're an international student, it's really hard for you to find a job. Let's be honest, let's be realistic, okay? I know my university probably will hate me for saying that, but yeah, it's true. But if you are majoring in early childhood, I believe you're able to get a job because it's high in demand in Singapore. And during career fair, there are companies recruiting early childhood graduates. That's one thing. And if you are heading for hotel facility management, there are a few hotels will be there during a career fair. I think it's pretty important because a lot of you guys wanted to study in gym school in Singapore. Then after you graduate, you may consider working in Singapore, and you think the career fair in gym school will help you. Dream on, okay? Yes, I have already another video talking about that. I also try to put a link here or down below. So, I have one last point that I must tell you is because every semester you will study a different modules, and so for different modules you will have a tutorial and practical. In gym school, they encourage you to be really independent learners and students. So every semester, each semester before the exam period, you will have a period for you to sign up the next semester modules. The modules that you should take, and you make sure you don't repeat the module. Okay, that's first of all. Second is to make sure yourself are able to graduate on time. So you must always keep track. When you enroll in gym school, you should know the module structure. What are all the modules you should study in your course? So each semester, if you have already taken that module and you have confident that you are passing, you keep track of this. Okay, for semester 1, I take Python. You take Python. Okay, I took information management. Take third and as extra. You make sure you are in the timeline. And you make sure you choose the module by yourself. Don't let the school to choose for you. Because school often they don't really keep track, and a lot of time they'll assign you to a random module that is more random elective, because we often use the elective module. The elective module that is from other course, and usually if you're IT and you have to take a module like maybe for example from business, and if that module is assigned by the school, you probably wouldn't know whether you're able to handle it or whether you're interested. Okay, that is very important. Very, very important. VIP, very important. So after you choose a module, you have you choose a module and they will tell you whether you're conform with the module. The next step is you need to choose the tutorial and practical time. So after your module is confirmed, during the holiday, they'll come out the timetable for the next semester, and from that they will give you a link, a website for you to sign up the practical time and tutorial time. You have to check your timetable, make sure your module, each different lesson is not clash with each other. That is very important. But I know sometimes you don't have a choice, or you forgot to sign up. School sometimes give you exception, let you transfer back to the tutorial class that you want to go, or the lab class. But there are also times they don't have mercy. So that's the time you need to negotiate with the lecturer to tell them, okay, can I come to this lesson at this timing because it crashes my analysis. Most of the time they will allow you, but when it's your actual lesson time, you make sure you go let the mother attendant, which is by biometric fingerprint. We have a machine to be on the top. Otherwise, they'll register you to be absent for the lesson, even like despite you have attended the lesson from the previous time. But in the school system, they'll still register you as absent. So I think that is very important. But I tell you guys this.